From the moment we laid eyes on it, we knew this wasn't just another job. Nestled deep within a forgotten corner of a sprawling scrapyard, the 2026 Toyota Corolla was a heartbreaking sight. It sat there, a ghost of its former self, bearing the scars of a violent collision. The front end was a mangled mess of twisted metal, the once sleek hood crumpled like a discarded piece of paper. Its windshield was a spiderweb of shattered glass, a testament to the force of the impact. Peering inside, we could see the deployed airbags, silent, deflated witnesses to the moment everything went wrong. It was a scene of total devastation, a vehicle that most would have written off as unsalvageable scrap. But where others saw only ruin, we saw a glimmer of potential, a challenge we were eager to accept. With the wreck secured in our workshop, the real work began. The first step was a meticulous and systematic teardown. Piece by piece, we stripped the Corolla down to its bare frame, cataloging every part, no matter how small or damaged. The interior was gutted, the mangled body panels were removed, and the engine was carefully lifted from its bay. This process revealed the true extent of the damage to the vehicle's core structure. The chassis was bent, a critical injury that required immediate and precise attention. Using our state-of-the-art chassis straightening rig, we meticulously pulled and pushed the frame, guided by laser measurements, until every millimeter was restored to its original factory specifications. It was a slow, demanding process, but it formed the essential foundation for everything that would follow. Once the skeleton was true, we began the art of bringing its body back to life. New panels for the front end, doors, and fenders were sourced and carefully fitted. Our skilled technicians then went to work on the remaining surfaces, their hands moving with practiced ease as they sanded down imperfections and expertly applied filler to smooth out every last dent and crease. With the bodywork perfected, the Corolla was wheeled into the sterile environment of our paint booth. Layer after layer of glossy, factory-fresh paint was applied, transforming the patchwork of metal and filler into a seamless, unified shell. Simultaneously, our mechanical team was deep in the heart of the machine. The engine and transmission were completely disassembled, each component cleaned, inspected, and either repaired or replaced. Slowly but surely, the revived powertrain was reinstalled, along with a new suspension and braking system. The final stage was all about the details that transform a car into an experience. The interior was painstakingly reassembled, with a new dashboard, plush carpeting, and pristine upholstery that made it feel like it had just rolled off the assembly line. Every switch was tested, every surface polished. Finally, the moment of truth arrived. The garage door rolled up, and the fully restored 2026 Toyota Corolla emerged, its new paint gleaming under the bright sun. It moved with a quiet confidence, a stark contrast to the broken shell we had first discovered. As it drove down the road, light dancing off its perfect lines, it looked more than just repaired. It looked reborn, a testament to the dedication and craftsmanship that turned a forgotten wreck into a stunning masterpiece, ready for a new chapter.